Hello, welcome back to Subtech Online. It's me again, Sabit Christopher. Today I'm going to take you through how you can create an Excel attendance tracker which you can use for your function, for your classes, for your sessions, and very simple and with a few clicks. How do we do this? Before we go very far, please make sure that you have hit that red button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and please leave us a comment. So we are going to create an Excel tracker such that every time you check, the percentage increases of attendance for that day, and even the bars we have created, that is a simple visual, also improves on dependency to the percentage. So how do we do this? Please stick on the video up to the end, and it is something simple which you should do in less than 2 minutes. So let's switch on to our data. So first of all, you will be required to have your own list, so well formatted, with either the number of days you're tracking or the hours. Here I have Monday to Saturday. So I'll select my space where I need to track from, that is every name per day, or my students per day. So go ahead and insert checkboxes. So how do we insert checkboxes? Go to insert, then look for checkboxes under controls. This has been recently added to the latest version, 2021, 2022, 2024. Check them out, but I'm using 365, Office Excel 365. So the moment I click checkbox, it will insert checkboxes in all the spaces I've selected. So a simple trick for checkboxes, that if you want to always select, if you select multiple and hit a space button, it will be a check or a true. If you hit space again, it will be a false or an uncheck. So what we are going to do, we are going to quickly do some checks at random, which we are going to use to track. So I will do a space, that is a check. So you can add more. Now, I'll put the formula in the description below of this video. So the formula is, we use a repeat function. So repeat function, we open quotes and use a vertical bar that is always commonly above the backslash or near your keyboard, your enter button on your keyboard. So I'll open quotes, put the vertical bar, or we call it a pipe in Excel. So that is it. Close the quotes again, comma. Now we are going to count whatever is true or ticked true in the range we are considering, that is a Monday. So I will use a COUNTIF function. So the range is, we are starting with this Monday, and what are we counting? Anything that is true, it means true if it is checked. Check is true and check is false. Then close this. We are dividing this by the total number of cells. So we are going to count the non-blank. Counting the non-blank, that is the count A. So we shall use count A. Still we are counting the same range. And we are going to multiply this by 10. Why am I multiplying this by 10? Such that I should have a significant range or number in what I'm going to have as my bars. So if I enter, obviously you accept this to close for you the brackets. So this, I had done some formatting in this cell. So for the start, you receive this as horizontal. So for me, I went ahead and rotated this text upwards. So after rotating that, you're going to give it a bigger font, that's around 24. Then change the font type to stencils. to stencil, and this is what you'll have. You can play with the font to make sure that you get something better and visible. So I'll change this to red. I like red. So it means that if we increase the percentage, we should be having our bars going up. If we reduce, then we should be having it going down. So copy this to the right up to Saturday, and there we go. So I can increase some here. Now what we are going to do next is getting the percentages. Don't hassle yourself. The percentage is going to be this same function, counting everything that is true divided by the number of cells you're having. So I'll copy that, bring it here in percentage. This is equal to the formula we are counting, our range, what is true, which means what is checked, divided by everything in that column. So enter. If you get this as a decimal, please change it to percentage, and here we go. I'll copy this to the right, and there we go. So which means if I increase this, it increases 47. There you have the bars. If you reduce, still the same thing. So guys, that is it. Please go ahead and leave us a comment if this video has been helpful or it is something you have been looking on the internet today. Leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell such that we can always have such videos in your notifications. Bye. We meet in the next video. Have a nice day.